In this video, I will show you how to create a TikTok agency account instead of a normal ad account. So to do this, you may already have a TikTok Manager account. What you want to do is in the top left, just click on the three lines and head over to the Business Center. Now, if you haven't yet created your business TikTok account at all, you can do it for free and you will even receive some ad credit after you create your account. Now, when you are creating your account, you will still see this. So from here, just click on create new, although for you, it may just take you directly to this page since you won't have an account yet if it's the first time. But from here, it will ask which best describes you or your business. And this is the most important part. Just going to select I am an agency and then select your country or region where you are registered and your company name. And here you can also set your time zone as well as your currency. Then click on create. And now I have just created a TikTok agency account. You can also turn on two-step verification if you want. And you can now see that you can start building your team. You can create an advertiser account. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.